Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. On this episode, we're diving into the word anything, a handy little pronoun that means anything or no matter what. It's a simple word, but it's packed with versatility and usefulness in everyday conversation. Let's start with the basics. Anything is used when we're referring to an item or concept without being specific. For example, if you say, "Is there anything I can do to help?" you're offering to help in whatever way is needed. It's often used in questions, negative statements, or conditional phrases. For instance, "Do you need anything?" or "I didn't hear anything." Now, let's look at a few synonyms. Words like something, whatever, or everything can sometimes be used in place of anything, depending on the context. For example, instead of saying, "Do you want anything to drink?" you might ask, "Would you like something to drink?" Similarly, take whatever you like is another way of expressing flexibility. For antonyms, we can consider words like nothing or none. These convey the opposite meaning. If someone asks, "Did you find anything interesting in the store?" and you didn't, you could reply, "No, I found nothing interesting." In everyday life, anything pops up all the time. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the server asks, "Is there anything else you'd like?" Or maybe you're offering reassurance to a friend and say, "Call me if you need anything." These are just a few of the countless ways this word fits naturally into conversation. Here are a few more examples to show how anything works in sentences. "I'll do anything to make this work." "Is there anything you'd like me to explain again?" He didn't say anything about the meeting. Try creating your own sentence with anything and see how easily it flows into your thoughts and speech. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review what we've learned. Anything is a simple yet powerful pronoun that means anything or no matter what. It's commonly used in questions, negatives, and conditionals. Synonyms like something and whatever provide flexibility, while antonyms like nothing offer contrast. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's lesson, be sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join in the fun. Don't forget to share your own sentence using anything in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring words and their meanings. Bye for now.